tell these kids what's up. All right, guys, we're gonna do a POV in my all white on white SVJ. We got Jace coming with me, who never wants to come with me, and all of a sudden tonight, of all the nights, he wants to come with me. Yeah, dude, the other week you want to come in the Tebby.
No, I was Adrian, that's why.
I get it, bro. I get it. We got the underglow.
The underglow wasn't working on the other side.
It wasn't working on the other side?
No, I still think it is on the back.
Oh, the back? Yeah, you can kind of see it. All right, should we get out of here?
Yeah, bro.
Well, how are you riding with Casper?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You have the address? Yeah, right? Yeah. Okay. Not that it's gonna be hard to lose a bright red RS, you know? All right. You know where my phone is?
Phone?
Yeah. And then where's the suction cup thing?
Suction cup?
Yeah. Right there, yep. Dude, that guy's a trip, bro.
Yeah, straight idiot.
Yeah. Unchill, bro.
Unchill.
They're just so poppy now.
That's crazy.
I don't know. It's in my phone. I don't know. I have no idea. You're riding my.
That's Casper though.
So the question is it making me get off right here to? Doing good, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Good. What? Your shit's green?
Yeah, it's just green, bro.
Oh my god, it's so bumpy. That's it? Carnegie? Yep.
I think so.
I don't know what my maps are doing.
Yeah, your mouth just like,
Oh, I've been here before.
yeah.
Right there? How are we gonna get down?
Oh.
So you gotta lower it. He's a damn good driver for 16. You know what I mean?
Let's hear it. Is it warmed up yet?
It's warm. Just last night I lost power. I'll try again. It's not tuned yet. Might go on your side.
That's Chris.
What up, Glenn? Oh, FaceTime, what's up, homie? What are you doing? What are you doing out here? What are you up to, bro? You detailing?
You probably want to go do it, bro.
You guys gotta take the other.
My kid today was like, how come I sit up front? I'm like, bro, it's only 2 seats, me and my best friend. That's it.
Damn.
I was just checking up on you, make sure you were good.
Yeah, no, let's walk around here, bro. Alright, stay safe, bro.
You too, brother.
Premium, dog. Premium OC.
Thank you for coming.
Hey, I'll see you next time, bro.
Yeah, drive safe. Yo. Yeah. Alright, some of the actors are weird as eat at.
Is that Casper?
Yeah.
I'm trying to do like POV, you know?
Yeah.
But I can't really see. What?
Where you going right now?
I'm just gonna go drop him off and go home. I'm not built like you kids, bro. I got a son, I gotta go to bed. What?
I said you were.
Yeah. Should we show these kids what's up? Oh, it's not red. Who is that?
I don't know.
He's going up on Casper, that's for sure. What's this guy doing, bro? Special friend.
What?
He's our special friend. He did not like that.
Like it's spinning this tire. Hey, Casper! Casper!
What are you gonna tell him?
I wonder if that's Ellie. Hey, Casper! Hey, back it up. Is that Ellie?
Is Glenn at the shop?
Nah. He's off duty.
It definitely needs a tune.
Yeah, for sure.
That's for sure, bro.
What day did you get tuned?
Like probably Wednesday or Thursday with the Temmie. It's gonna be a sick vlog, bro.
It's gonna be crazy. Are you taking the Temmie to get tuned? Like up at stage 1?
Yeah. They're gonna. I think Daniel said he's gonna tow it if it's not done yet, so they can tune it and it'll be like crazy on the dyno, you know?
Yeah.
All right, my guy.
Alright, bro.
I'll see you later, bro.
Thank you, Doc.
Yeah, have a good night, dude.
You too.
Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, shit.
All right, and that is a POV drive, you guys. Hopefully you liked it. We had a lot of fun tonight. That was crazy. Thank you for the channel. Here's my kid. Hey, buddy. Hey. You happy I'm back? What a way to end the video. I love you.